What's up going, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Yay. If you are new, I'm your girl Kaise A, and we keep it real around here, so I would love for you to just stick around, hit that subscribe button right here, join the family and just be a part of us. Okay, be a part of us. It has been a few days since I posted my wash and go routine, or my defining curl routine, and I just wanted to check in with you guys because I have gotten a few questions, on how I maintain my hair when I do my wash and goes, and I just want to come on here and let you guys know like how well my hair is holding up. And let me see, my hair so far, I did my wash like on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So it's 5 days now since I did my wash and go, and as you can see, my curls, they are still together. At night, all I do is just cover my head with my bonnet. So far, guys, I haven't put any product in my hair. No water, no oil, not a thing. I just leave it. The only thing I do is just brush up my edges, curl my hair up, and retie. And that's how I have been doing it for the few days. And see? So if you guys are wondering, like, how to maintain this, honestly, if you are doing it the right way, as in if you're doing your wash and go the right way and your hair is healthy, then you should not have any problems. Shouldn't have any problems. And as you can see, it is stretched. I could leave it out, but yeah, we're not going anywhere. I am in my house, in this time where everyone should be at home, quarantine, practicing social distancing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in one. I'm gonna add some clippings. Do you guys remember I have done a video with these clippings before? I will leave a link to them down below. So how are you guys holding up with all that is happening right now? I hope you all are practicing social distancing. I know that the entire world is in a crisis, but you guys, please stay strong. I know it's hard to just, some people can't go to work. They're telling you that you have to quarantine yourself, isolate yourself. Some people have to, staying away from their family and stuff like that. But you guys just be strong. We will get through this. All right. I'm just gonna put this in into the, I'm just gonna add this in the top section of my hair. You guys need to tell me some video ideas that you want. I want to try other things, but I don't know what the reaction will be. You guys just let me know. Let me know if there's any specific video you would want. Let me know if you have any questions on anything about hair maintenance and so on and so forth. Just put them all down in the comment section. I will read and I will definitely get back to you all. So I'm gonna add one more piece in. yeah, like I've been saying, like the whole place is just a mess right now. Every day you have cases going up. It is scary. I'm afraid, y'all. I am afraid. And some people not taking this thing seriously, and I don't know why. Like, it's not a joke, but to some people it's like, guys, you need to take this thing serious because this is no joke. People are dying. People are dying. I'm just freshening up my curls and my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with some Eco Style gel just around the edges, really. And of course, I'm going in with my aloe vera oil. Oh, this is so. Then I'm gonna wrap this around my head 2 times. I'm not even sure if this is the right thing to do, but you know, let's see how well it works out. Yeah. My edge control. I'm just gonna sweep my edges a little bit. So with all that is going around now with the corona virus thingamajig, you know, people have to be quarantined at home, you know. Now is the best time to perfect your hair routine. Try to get to know your hair a little, you know. Try to find means and ways just to figure your hair out, you know, because you have all the time in the world right now. You're home, you're not doing nothing. So try to see what works for your hair. I think I'm rambling, you know. Doing your hair and leaving it alone. Try to let it grow. Oil your scalp. Allow your hair to do its thing. Just find a protective style, put your hair in, and just leave it alone so you can get some new growth. And just find something you love to entertain yourself throughout this time. And be safe, guys. Be safe. Hashtag stay home. Help us stop the spreading of this virus. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Go and big up on yourself, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.